Nestled in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, lies the charming town of Zande. This picturesque town is surrounded by lush green valleys and farmlands, with the majestic foothills of the Himalayas providing a stunning backdrop. The natural beauty of Zande is truly captivating, making it a perfect destination for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. This rural escape close to Mardin offers a tranquil retreat from bustling city life. The serene countryside roads and peaceful village scenes provide a stark contrast to the noise and chaos of urban areas. Here you can take leisurely strolls along quiet paths, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the simple pleasures of rural life. Zande is a place where time seems to slow down. The slow-moving river that winds through the valley, the peaceful village streets with minimal activity, and the scenic views of fields and distant hills all contribute to a sense of calm and relaxation. It's a place where you can truly unwind and escape the pressures of modern life. Life revolves around the rhythm of nature. The town is small and the population is close-knit. The locals are friendly and welcoming, and there's a strong sense of community. People here live in harmony with their surroundings, and their lives are deeply connected to the land and the seasons. Visitors are welcomed with warm hospitality. The people of Zande are known for their generosity and kindness. They are always eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors, making you feel like a part of their community. Whether you're staying for a day or a week, you'll leave with fond memories and a sense of belonging. Zande is a place to reconnect with nature. The town offers numerous opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and nature walks. The lush greenery and scenic trails provide a perfect setting for those who love the outdoors. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a peaceful place to relax, Zande has something for everyone. It is a place to experience the true meaning of peace. The air is fresh and the skies are clear. The serene landscape and calm mornings create a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find inner peace. The sounds of nature surround you, the chirping of birds, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soothing sound of a flowing stream create a symphony of natural sounds that enhance the sense of peace and relaxation. It's a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. The pace of life is relaxed. In Zande, there's no rush. People take their time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, whether it's taking a leisurely stroll through the village, relaxing on a countryside porch, or simply enjoying the company of friends and family. It's a place where you can slow down and appreciate the beauty of the present moment. Zande offers a taste of a simpler way of living. The traditional rural activities and everyday life in this small Pakistani town provide a glimpse into a way of life that is deeply connected to the land and the community. It's a place where you can experience the joys of a simpler, more meaningful existence. It is a place where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. The traditional architecture and modern elements coexist in harmony, creating a unique and vibrant cultural landscape. The people of Zande are proud of their heritage, and they have managed to preserve their traditions while embracing the benefits of modernity. The people of Zande are proud of their heritage. They celebrate their culture with pride and joy, and their traditional attire and cultural celebrations are a testament to their rich history and traditions. It's a place where you can experience the vibrant culture and heritage of rural Pakistan. They are also eager to share their culture with visitors. The locals are always happy to engage in cultural exchanges, sharing their traditional crafts, stories, and customs with tourists. It's a place where you can learn about the local culture and traditions firsthand, and create lasting connections with the people of Zande. Come and discover the magic of Zande. This hidden gem is waiting to be explored, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality. It's a place where you can create unforgettable memories and experience the true essence of rural Pakistan. This hidden gem awaits your exploration. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat, an outdoor adventure, or a cultural experience, Zande has something to offer. Come and explore this beautiful town and discover the magic that awaits you. Zande is renowned for its fertile plains and verdant valleys. These valleys are a sight to behold. They are a patchwork of emerald green fields. Wheat and corn sway gently in the breeze. Farmers tend to their crops with care. The air is filled with the sweet scent of freshly tilled soil. Fruit orchards dot the landscape. Apple trees, pear trees, and plum trees bear their juicy fruits. The taste of Zande's produce is unparalleled. It is fresh, flavorful, and bursting with goodness. The valleys are not just a source of sustenance. They are also a place of immense beauty. Take a leisurely stroll. Breathe in the fresh air. Let the tranquility of the surroundings wash over you. Zande's strategic location makes it an ideal base for exploring the Swat Valley. This valley is just a stone's throw away. It is renowned for its breathtaking beauty. Malam Jabba, with its snowy slopes, is perfect for winter sports enthusiasts. The Kalam Valley, with its towering peaks and pristine lakes, is a sight to behold. The Ushu Forest, with its towering pine trees, offers a tranquil escape into nature. These are just a few of the many attractions that await in Swat. Zande serves as the perfect starting point for unforgettable excursions. After a day of exploring, return to the peace and quiet of Zande. Rest, relax, and recharge for your next adventure. Zande is embraced by the majestic foothills of the Himalayas. These towering peaks dominate the skyline. They are a constant reminder of nature's grandeur. The Margalla Hills, a range of the Himalayas, are easily accessible from Zande. They offer a plethora of hiking trails. These trails cater to all levels of fitness. Trek through pine forests, ascend to panoramic viewpoints, marvel at the breathtaking vistas. On a clear day, you can see for miles. The snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas glisten in the distance. The air is crisp and clean. The silence is broken only by the sound of your own footsteps. Hiking in the foothills of the Himalayas is an experience that will stay with you forever. Section 5. Life-giving waters. The Swat River, a lifeline of the region, flows gracefully near Zande. Its crystal-clear water sparkles in the sunlight. Smaller streams and tributaries crisscross the landscape. They create a network of life-giving waterways. These waterways are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also sustain a rich ecosystem. The sound of water cascading over rocks is incredibly soothing. It is a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. No visit to Zande is complete without a trip to Siful Muluk Lake. This glacial lake is nestled high in the mountains. It is accessible via a scenic drive. The lake's turquoise waters are mesmerizing. The surrounding mountains are reflected in its depths. It is a scene of ethereal beauty. Section 6. Nature's abundant kingdom. Zande and its surroundings are teeming with biodiversity. This region is a sanctuary for countless species of plants and animals, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The dense forests, sprawling meadows, and pristine streams create a perfect habitat for wildlife to thrive. This region is a haven for nature lovers. Whether you're an avid hiker, a casual walker, or someone who simply enjoys the serenity of nature, Zande offers something for everyone. The trails here are well marked and provide breathtaking views at every turn. Birdwatchers, in particular, will be in their element. The forest canopy is alive with the fluttering of wings and the calls of various bird species. It's a paradise for those who appreciate the avian world. A wide variety of bird species call this area home. From tiny songbirds to larger raptors, the diversity is astounding. Each species contributes to the rich tapestry of life here. Keep an eye out for colorful kingfishers. These vibrant birds are often seen near water bodies, their bright plumage standing out against the green backdrop. Watch as majestic eagles soar overhead. Their powerful wings and keen eyesight make them formidable hunters, and spotting one is always a thrilling experience. Listen to the sweet melodies of songbirds. Their songs fill the air, creating a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating. It's nature's own music, a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. The forests are home to a variety of mammals. From small rodents to larger herbivores, each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. You might be lucky enough to spot a Himalayan black bear. These elusive creatures are a symbol of the wilderness, and seeing one in its natural habitat is a rare and unforgettable experience. Deer graze peacefully in the meadows. Their graceful movements and gentle demeanor add to the tranquility of the landscape. The air is alive with the buzz of insects. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators flit from flower to flower, playing a vital role in the health of the ecosystem. Butterflies flutter from flower to flower. Their delicate wings and vibrant colors add a touch of magic to the scenery. Zande is a reminder that we share this planet with a myriad of other creatures. Each one, no matter how small, has a role to play in the grand scheme of life. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve this precious biodiversity for generations to come. By doing so, we ensure that future generations can also experience the wonder and beauty of nature's abundant kingdom. Zande is a year-round destination. Each season paints the landscape in different hues, offering a unique experience every few months. From the vibrant colors of spring to the serene whites of winter, Zande is a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Spring transforms the valleys into a sea of blossoms. The fields come alive with a burst of colors, as flowers of every kind bloom in unison. Wildflowers carpet the meadows in a riot of colors. It's a time when nature awakens from its winter slumber, bringing with it a sense of renewal and hope. The air is filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and roses. Every breath you take is infused with the fragrance of fresh blooms, making spring in Zande a truly sensory experience. Summer brings warm, sunny days. The skies are clear and blue, and the sun casts a golden glow over the landscape. It is the perfect time to explore the surrounding mountains. The trails are open and inviting, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The weather is ideal for hiking and outdoor activities. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, summer in Zande has something for everyone. Autumn paints the trees in vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. The landscape transforms into a canvas of warm colors, creating a picturesque setting. The air is crisp and cool. It's a refreshing change from the summer heat, making it a perfect time for outdoor activities. It is the perfect time to enjoy a cup of hot tea while admiring the changing leaves. The serene environment provides a peaceful backdrop for relaxation. Winter blankets the mountains in a pristine layer of snow. The landscape is transformed into a winter wonderland with snow-covered peaks and frosty trees. The air is fresh and invigorating. Each breath fills you with a sense of clarity and renewal, making winter in Zande a rejuvenating experience. It is a magical time to experience the beauty of Zande in a whole new light. The snow adds a touch of enchantment, making every moment feel like a scene from a fairy tale. Zande offers a plethora of activities for travelers seeking adventure, culture, or simply a peaceful retreat. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the numerous trails that wind through the surrounding hills. Discover hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting nearby villages. Interact with the friendly locals. Learn about their traditions and way of life. Zande is a photographer's paradise. Capture the beauty of the valleys, mountains, and rivers. Document the vibrant culture and the warmth of the people. Return home with memories that will last a lifetime. Getting to Zande is easy. The nearest airport is Peshawar International Airport. From there, it is a scenic drive to Zande. Local transport options are also available. Zande offers a range of accommodation options. Choose from cozy guest houses to comfortable hotels. Homestays are a great way to experience the local hospitality firsthand. When it comes to safety, Zande is a peaceful and welcoming town. However, it is always advisable to exercise caution and respect local customs. Pack light, comfortable clothing and sturdy footwear. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a first aid kit. Embrace sustainable tourism practices, respect the environment, support local businesses. Leave no trace of your visit. Zande, with its captivating beauty, warm hospitality, and tranquil ambience, offers a unique travel experience. It is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. It is a place to reconnect with nature. It's a place to create unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and embark on a journey to Zande. This hidden gem of Pakistan awaits your discovery.